Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Darcy Burkaw, and today we're going to go over this just-in 230 cruiser Harris pontoon. Couple things I want to go over it with you, some highlights. If you look at the stern of the boat, this is the new Mercury 150 4-stroke engine. It does have power steering on it, very maintenance conscious and easy to flush, easy to use. Secondly, as you look at all the storage on the boat, from the back stern to the flip seats to storage in every one of the back of the rests, there's enough storage for all your clothes, entertainment, and goodies to go out on the beach. Thirdly, the boat itself, the fit and finish, from lidded cup holders to underneath to how everything is styled and recessed, from a 12-foot Bimini to the width of the boat that's 8.5 wide. Last point, this is a full 3-tube boat. It does have the lifting strakes in each of the tubes, and they're 26 in diameter. So it'll give you a very good ride out in the bay and even in the rough weather. Come on down and look at these boats. We have several to offer from, and visit us anytime for a water demo. Thank you.